Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely clone your Windows 11 system using Hasleo Disk Clone the right way. If you're upgrading from an HDD to an SSD, replacing your old drive, or creating a full backup of your system, this guide will help you move everything, including Windows, apps, and files, without reinstalling anything. And I'll also explain the difference between Disk Clone, System Clone, and Partition Clone, so you don't make a mistake that can break your system. Let's get started. First, what is Hasleo Disk Clone? It's a powerful tool that allows you to copy your entire disk or your Windows system to another drive. That means no reinstalling Windows, no losing files, and no setting up apps again. Everything stays exactly the same. Before we begin, there are a few important things you need to check. Make sure you have a second drive connected to your PC, either an SSD or HDD. Ensure the target drive has enough space for your data, and it's always a good idea to back up important files, just in case. You can download the Hasleo Disk Clone from link below in description. Now open your Chrome browser or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Hasleo Disk Clone Download and press Enter. Once the results appear, click on the official Hasleo website. Make sure you select the correct official link to avoid downloading from unsafe sources. When the page opens, look for the free download button and click on it to start downloading the tool. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder, double-click the setup file, and install the software. Follow the installation steps, click Next, and then Finish. Once installed, the tool will be ready to use. Now, when you open Hasleo Disk Clone, you will see three options: Disk Clone, System Clone, and Partition Clone. Let's quickly understand them. Disk Clone copies your entire drive. This includes Windows, all partitions, all apps, and all files. It creates a complete one-to-one copy of your disk. System Clone copies only the Windows system and required partitions. This includes Windows, installed apps on the C drive, and boot files. However, it does not include other partitions like D or E drives. Partition Clone copies only a selected partition, for example, just the C drive or a storage partition. This option is not recommended if you want to move your full Windows system. Now, which one should you choose? If you have only one drive, System Clone will still copy your Windows, apps, and files. But if you want a perfect and complete copy with zero risk, I recommend using Disk Clone. Now let's go step by step. Open Hasleo Disk Clone and select Disk Clone. Next, choose your source disk. This is your current Windows drive. Then select your target disk. This is your new SSD or HDD. Be very careful here because the target disk will be completely erased. If your new drive is larger, you can resize the partitions to use the full space. If you are cloning to an SSD, make sure to enable SSD alignment. This improves performance and helps your system run faster. Now click Next, and then click Start to begin the cloning process. The time it takes will depend on how much data you have. Once the cloning is complete, shut down your PC. You can either remove the old drive or enter the BIOS and set the new drive as the primary boot device. If everything was done correctly, your system will boot exactly the same but from the new drive. Before we finish, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Do not choose the wrong clone option. Always double-check your target disk before starting. Make sure SSD alignment is enabled if you are using an SSD. And don't forget to change your boot order after cloning. And that's it. You've successfully cloned your Windows 11 system using Hasleo Disk Clone. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to All PC Geek for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.